Hey guys, today I want to teach you how you can use airplane mode trick to get free internet. What you do, you open your media application that you want to use. Let's say like Facebook or WhatsApp, but for me, as per now, I will use WhatsApp. So once you open your WhatsApp, first send some messages. First for my I had done it. You see guys, you send some messages, they can't go. They can't go. You see, messages are not going. So what, when you reach on this stage, what you do, you turn your data connection to an MTN SIM card. See, my data connection is on MTN. After doing that, you put your phone into airplane mode like this. Quickly remove it. Messages will automatically go. Wait a bit. You see, messages are going. Even if you want to record, like see? Once this one happens, you stop a bit and you put it in what? Airplane mode like this, and quickly remove it, resend your message. It can go. So you keep on doing this many times, repeatedly. So that's how you can enjoy this unlimited trick of airplane mode. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.